Space is everything beyond our planet Earth. When we look up at the night sky, what we see is only a tiny part of a massive universe that stretches farther than we can imagine. Space is not just darkness, it is filled with stars, planets, dust, gas, energy, and mysteries we are still trying to understand. Let's start with our home. Earth is part of the solar system. At the center of our solar system is the Sun, a huge star made of hot, burning gases. The Sun's gravity keeps everything around it in place. 8 planets, including Earth, move around the Sun in fixed paths called orbits. Along with planets, there are moons, asteroids, and comets traveling through space. Earth is special because it has air, water, and the right temperature to support life. Other planets are very different. Mercury is extremely hot. Venus is covered in thick clouds. Mars is cold and dusty. Jupiter is a giant ball of gas, and Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. Even though we have explored these planets with spacecraft, much about them is still unknown. Beyond our solar system lies an enormous collection of stars called the Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy is a massive system of stars, planets, gas, and dust held together by gravity. The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars, and our Sun is just one of them. From Earth, the Milky Way appears as a faint, glowing band across the night sky. But the Milky Way is not alone. There are trillions of galaxies in the universe. Some are spiral-shaped like ours, some are oval, and others have no clear shape at all. Each galaxy holds billions of stars, and many of those stars may have planets orbiting them. Scientists believe that some of these planets could have conditions suitable for life. Space itself is very different from Earth. There is no air in space, which means sound cannot travel. If you screamed in space, no one would hear you. Space is also extremely cold because there is no atmosphere to trap heat. Temperatures can drop to hundreds of degrees below zero. Gravity plays a huge role in space. Gravity is the force that pulls objects toward each other. It keeps planets orbiting stars, moons orbiting planets, and galaxies together. Without gravity, the universe would be complete chaos. One of the most powerful and mysterious objects in space is the black hole. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. Its pull is so strong that nothing can escape it, not even light. Time itself slows down near a black hole. While black holes sound terrifying, they help shape galaxies and are an important part of the universe. Another strange fact about space is that the universe is expanding. After the Big Bang, which happened about 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began expanding, and it has never stopped. Galaxies are moving away from each other, and space itself is stretching. This means the universe is getting bigger every second. Most of the universe is made of things we cannot see. Scientists believe that about 95% of the universe is made of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter helps hold galaxies together, while dark energy is causing the universe to expand faster. Even though we cannot see them directly, we know they exist because of their effects. Humans have only explored a tiny fraction of space. We have sent astronauts to the moon, robots to Mars, and probes beyond our solar system. Telescopes like the Hubble and James Webb allow us to see galaxies billions of light years away, meaning we are looking back in time. Despite all this progress, space remains full of unanswered questions. Are we alone in the universe? What happens inside a black hole? How did everything truly begin? Space reminds us how small we are, yet how powerful curiosity can be. Every discovery pushes humanity forward and changes how we see our place in the universe. Space is not just above us. It is a vast story still being written, and we have only just begun to read the first page.